Imagine a world where the global software industry is worth over $4 trillion. That's a number so vast, it rivals the GDP of major world economies. This industry not only drives modern technology, but shapes how we interact with the world daily. Now dive into the core of this digital realm by exploring the different types of software that power everything from your morning alarm to the International Space Stations. First up, we have system software. This is essentially the backbone of any device's operation. Think of it as the unsung hero that works quietly behind the scenes. System software manages the hardware and provides a base for application software to run. The most common example, operating systems like Windows or macOS. These platforms handle everything from managing files and running applications to ensuring that your printer prints and your emails send without a hitch. Transitioning from the behind-the-scenes action to the front stage, we come to application software. This type is more recognizable as it's designed for end users like you and me. Whether it's a word processor to pen down a novel, a spreadsheet to manage budgets, or a game to unwind after a long day, application software is what most people think of when they hear the word software. These programs are built on top of system software and are crafted to fulfill specific tasks that make our lives easier and more productive. But who writes these programs? Enter the world of programming software. This category includes the tools that developers use to create, debug, and maintain other software. Compilers, interpreters, and integrated development environments, or IDEs, fall into this category. These tools translate the code written by developers into a language that computers can understand. Without programming software, creating other software types would be a far more daunting, if not impossible, task. To wrap up, the software landscape is vast and varied, from system software that manages your device's core functionalities, through application software that helps perform specific tasks, to programming software that allows developers to create and refine these digital tools. Each type plays a crucial role in the digital ecosystem. So next time you boot up your computer or swipe open an app, remember the complex layers of software that make it all possible. They not only drive innovation and convenience, but also continuously redefine our interaction with the digital world.